$10 may not seem like a lot, but to receive it again and again, it's going to be pretty decent because, as you can see over here, this is over $12,000 in pure profit. And in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step how you can set it up properly from anywhere in the world. And also I'm going to give you one tool which is going to help you maximize your results. So make sure to stay all the way until the end of the video and pay attention to every single second of it. But before starting with this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Okay, so keep in mind that there are only two different platforms which you'll need to set up in order to make this work. So let's begin right away with the first one. You need to go over this platform called BlockFi.com. Don't worry, you don't need to spend any money or to invest your money on this website. You can do this with $0 on your account. Now, BlockFi is a mixture of a cryptocurrency account trading website where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency, but also in this platform you can start an interest account, a savings account, and get a nice interest rate every single year. And once again, don't worry, you will not have to invest any money at all into this platform, but whoever starts investing with BlockFi, if they put in like $100 into their account, they can get 8.6% interest rate. If they put $10,000 by the end of the year, they will have $860 pure profit. Or if they put $100,000 into their account, they'll get $8,600. So there is a lot of money to be made with BlockFi, but once again, you don't have to spend or invest any money with this tool. But just come over on their homepage on the official website BlockFi.com and read more about it and explore how it actually works. And you'll see that BlockFi is backed by industry-leading investors. There are all these big companies here, and also they are featured in Forbes, Bloomberg, CNBC, etc. And as you can see right here, you can do it even with your smartphone. If you don't have a computer, their app is available for both Android and iOS. So you can install BlockFi for absolutely free on your smartphone device and still be able to complete all the steps from this video, because even the other platform that I'm going to show you is reachable from your smartphone. So now that you are here on the bottom of the website, I want you to go over the services section and then click here on refer a friend. As you can see, you can refer people to BlockFi, and each person that you refer will make you $10. You can refer as many people as you want, and each person that you refer will make you $10 up to $20. It's actually going to go up after time. As you can see, after 5 referrals, you will start earning a $20 Bitcoin bonus for any additional referrals. And if you continue to follow me through this video, I'm going to show you how you can get those referrals on complete autopilot. It's going to take you no more than 2 minutes to set it up, and it's going to make you some passive income. And here what you need to do, you have to sign on to your BlockFi dashboard, press the refer a friend button on the top right, and then have your friends register for an account using that URL. Now, in order to start referring people and to start making money with BlockFi's referral program, you'll need to grab your affiliate link. And for this, you need to sign up to their referral program. So, click here on open your account, or you can click here on get started to sign up for absolutely free. All you need to do is to put some information right here, such as your legal first name and legal last name. So make sure it's your legal name and last name, otherwise you'll be banned from their website if you use fake information. After that, you put your email address, create a strong password. The referral code is optional, so you can leave it blank. You can read their terms and conditions and their privacy policy, and after that tick the box right here like this. And you can read also the SMS policy, and after that you have to click this box. Then you have to complete the CAPTCHA and you have to click submit in order to create your account. It's really simple and it's going to take you less than 30 seconds to create this account, and then you'll receive an email from BlockFi support in order to verify your email address, and you will click to the link that they will send to you, and after verifying your email you will log in into your account. After that, you'll start promoting your referral link in order to start making money and to get paid $10 up to $20 per each person you refer. And you can refer unlimited people, as many people as you want. If you refer, for example, 5 people per day, you can make up to $100 every single day. Or if you refer 10 people per day, it's $200 every single day, which is $6,000 a month pure profit for you. And now I'm going to show you traffic source where you can set everything on autopilot and get those referrals passively. So this is a money-making forum where all the people that are interested in making money and accumulating cryptocurrency gather to discuss the newest websites, the newest methods where they can make money and get Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So there are money-making forums which includes, for example, Make Money, affiliate programs, surveys, forex, review, buy, sell, trade, and the cryptocurrency forums which include cryptocurrency in general, Bitcoin, Ethereum mining, and so on and so forth. So this website is called Trendry.com. Since BlockFi is about investing money and getting high returns on those investments in terms of cryptocurrency, you can actually use both of these forums in this website. The Making Money forum and also the cryptocurrency forums. So you can start with cryptocurrency. All you have to do is to click on it, and you'll be able to see all these forums with people who are discussing cryptocurrencies. There is a lot of traffic here and a lot of potential, and as you can see, there are a total of 59 pages with forums related to cryptocurrency. So all you need to do in order to start posting on Trendry.com and to share your referral link with the right people is to create an account for absolutely free by clicking here on register. You have to put a username, an email address, a password, then you have to add your date of birth, your location, your country, where are you from. You have to verify that you're not a robot by completing the CAPTCHA here. After that, you have to agree to the terms and privacy policy and you have to click register. And after creating your account, you have to click here on post thread so you can publish your own post on this forum. So it's going to be seen by people that are interested in cryptocurrency or making money online or anything related to online business. And whenever people click on it, you'll make $10 up to $20 per each person. It's going to take you no more than 30 seconds to publish a thread with your referral link, and it will stay forever on Trendry.com. So even after some couple of weeks, months, and even years, someone will be able to click on your referral link, take action, and you still make money. So just come up with something unique in order to gain people's attention, and that's all the work that you'll need to do. So this was today's method. If you liked it, make sure to give a thumbs up and to leave a comment down below on what do you think about it. Of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel with notifications on in order to be the first one to get verified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in another tutorial on how to make money online.